I got some Coke.
Hey.
Whoop. Whoop. Are you embarrassed? Oh my god. No. Come here. Come here.
Kayla, I had to steal your thing because I'm trying to load the dishwasher and Mama won't leave me alone. You!
Playing a game of whack fuck here. Whack!
That's all? I feel like that wasn't my best friend that night. It was the devil.
That's a lot of meeting. Exactly. Whoa. Okay, this is eerie. You see the way I'm holding my mandolin is exactly one of the baby holds I have. See how I have it in the crook of my arm with the side supported? That's how you're supposed to hold a baby? Anyways,
What is it? What do you think? Bruce, vengeance!
What are you doing? I know what you're doing. I saw what you're doing. You can just hide them. Oh my god.
Zoomies activated.
Mochi.
My GPS keeps making a funny squeaking noise.
What's that? Come on.
Oh, he wants it.
Maddie, that was so cute.
You guys, look at my cat. Look at it. Look at it. Look at this cat. Look.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
Ouch. The fuck? Y'all, my cat is in here screaming. I'm trying to figure out where she at. Why are you up here? Buttercup.
Girl, don't do it. It's not worth it. I'm not gonna do it, girl. I was just thinking about it. I'm not gonna do it. I did.
Y'all want to see somebody who's sick of my shit?
I like to get right on the fucking. I like to be a peeping Tom if I can. I'll watch your whole family eat dinner.
Фарид, тебе не стыдно? Сигареты в зубах бегает, блядь. Pobrecita mi bebé. Anda en celo, cosita. Ay, te entiendo, mi amor, te entiendo. Yo también quiero. Ay, chinga la madre.
Oh no. Oh no. Ring the bell.
Babamı öperim. Ucuz yırtmadım mı? What happened? Are you okay, Iggy? Oh!
I like to be a peeping Tom if I can. I'll watch your whole family eat dinner.
Happy birthday! Oh my god! What the fuck? Ah, why are you scary? Good boy. Oh my gosh. Happy birthday!
Face the wall.
I'm tired of people asking me if I'm an introvert or an extrovert. Bitch, I'm a pervert.
Acércate, acércate.
No, mira si me rasguña la cara.
¿Qué te rafaña? Te ramagó.
You told your boyfriend you were not watching the movie with him tonight, so he found someone else.
Chupó la boca, eres vainillo.
Me chupó la boca. Me chupó la boca.
Come in. Let me in, please.
Oye, hijo el pico. Hijo el pico. Oye. ¡Ah, conchetumare!
Can you not? No! Ow.
Who needs a hole puncture when you have a cat? Why, thank you. This is Cinnamon. Say hi. Yeah, he's a bad bitch. And you see how he just waved hi to you?
What you mad about, bud?
Did you just wake up from your nap? Yo! Do a spin.
Hi, boys.
I like to get right on the fucking. I like to be a peeping Tom if I can. I'll watch your whole family eat dinner.
Sủi.เอาไง ปล่อยมันไปเถอะ มันยกมือไหว้แล้วน่ะ ปล่อยมันไป
Yeah. Okay. We need to get home.
Yeah, I did. Just a little boy pond. You should lick their heads too.
He's like eating some crumbs off the floor. And little Miss Batman over here is not having it.
High five.
Show me someone that lives in your house rent-free.
I feel like that wasn't my best friend that night. It was the devil.
I just wanted to show you what happens every day when I get to work. I get kitty cuddles. It's a thing. Oh.
You're so cute. I just want to kiss your face and bite your ears, and I want to squeeze you until you go pop.
He's like, no. He's like, I
So I just got back to my Airbnb and I turned around and went, oh, do you live here? Do you live here? Is this your house? Oh no. What do I do? Is this your house?
who the fuck are you?
Cat dog?
That's not cat dog.
Who the fuck is this cat?
Inspired by that beloved classic. It's a competition where skill and science must be perfectly aligned. Where only one will prevail, claiming a $50,000 grand prize. So good.
This feels like $1 million idea.
This is Snack with the Chef.
That was my egg.
Binky. Binks. Binks. Are you okay?
Brother, help me!
Long live the king.
Yum 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 yum.
Wait.
Oh my god. It's crazy dream.
Stop. Stop chewing on the tree.
Dude, I love these little fucking noises.
Ah, Miguel! Miguel!
You don't want to leave, girl?
No.
That girl! Turn her down! To not her!
Hey, buddy. Why are you in Val's cage? You like it in there?
Milo. Stop chewing on the Christmas tree.
Milo. Milo.
Are you cute? Are you cute? Pokey. Are you adorable? Are you adorable? Yes, you are.
You came and sat on me. You have no right to kick me. You have no right. You're so mad.